Hey boos, it's your girl Sadora. So in this video I wanted to show you how I go from my straight hairstyles back to curly. Now the first thing that I want to do is completely soak my hair with water. So this is going to take a few seconds because you know your girl got a little lint now. Now there's quite a bit of steps in this routine, but I promise you it's all worth it to keep the integrity and health of your hair. So just try to incorporate as much of these steps as possible so your hair can remain healthy as well. So the first thing I want to do is clarify the shit out of my hair. Because I've been using products all week, I've been passing heat through my hair, I've been using just a crap load of stuff. So I want to start off with a clean canvas. Now, step 2, I use a moisturizing shampoo to replenish whatever the clarifying shampoo stripped away from my hair. You gotta put back the good stuff, which is moisture, for the people that don't know. Step 3, I love to use a hair growth detangling shampoo that I have developed. I use that for the third wash because it's a hair growth shampoo, duh, and also it has enough slip where I could begin detangling my hair, and that is exactly what I wanted to develop, a hair growth detangling shampoo. You want to keep this hair growth detangling shampoo in your hair for about 2 minutes while it does its job. And for my dry, brittle hair girls like myself, I made sure to put enough moisturizing ingredients in the formula so it does not dry your hair out. It does the complete opposite, which is moisturize. We say goodbye. Okay, so we are almost done. So here I'm going to be using a light protein deep conditioner. For people that are protein sensitive, switch this out for a moisturizing one. Also going to be using my hair growth deep conditioner by me. I'm going to mix those two up, saturate my hair completely. Then while using a heating cap, we're going to let it bake for 20 minutes. We're almost there. We at the final step. We're almost there. So, you have options. You could either walk out the house just like this, or you could just check out my brand new wash and go routine and you'll see how I stretch out my hair, how I preserve it, all that good stuff. And yeah, girl, that's part 2. Check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.